Are you tired of AI writers that just produce fluff with no real research or structure for SEO? Wordrocket AI claims to be different, built specifically for how AI search engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity find and cite content. In this video, I will give you a full tutorial and an honest review, exploring the research, writing, internal linking, and one-click WordPress features. By the end, you will know if this lifetime deal tool is the right choice for your content strategy. Starting with Thorm. Fundamentals. Wordrocket AI is designed to write content that ranks on Google and in AI overviews. There are 3 pricing plans for Wordrocket. The free tier at $0 is ideal for trying the service with 10 articles per month, 20 AI images, BYOK support, basic templates, and community help, but no keyword research or automations. The Pro plan at $199, once marked as most popular, targets professional bloggers offering unlimited articles forever, 200 images per month, 10 keyword searches, 2 blogging automations, 5 brand voices, 5 sites, top-tier AI access, bulk generation, and no rate limits. The premium plan at $249 once is designed for power users and teams with unlimited articles, 300 images monthly, 25 keyword searches, 10 automations, 10 brand voices, 10 sites, 5 team members, 5 client profiles, and advanced features like bulk mode. See you later, folks.